The Turkish province of Şanlıurfa has been hit hard by heavy rainfall, resulting in flooding and the loss of at least 5 lives. Unfortunately, the number of missing persons is still uncertain, and authorities are working to determine the exact number of those still unaccounted for. In response to the emergency, specialists are tirelessly working to minimize the impact of the disaster. The flooding has caused significant damage to infrastructure, including a hospital in the province that was flooded, forcing the relocation of 25 patients to other medical facilities. In addition, other citizens have been evacuated to safety. The inclement weather has also forced the closure of educational institutions in the region, as the rain is forecasted to continue throughout the day. The State Meteorological Service of Turkey has issued a weather forecast for the period of March 15 to 20, with a code orange alert for the southeastern region, which has recently experienced a pair of powerful earthquakes. The provinces of Adıyaman, Diyarbakır, Elazığ, Malatya, Kahramanmaraş, Mardin, Sivas, Şanlıurfa, and Kilis are among the areas where heavy downpours are possible. It is important to note that Turkey suffered a devastating earthquake on February 6, the most powerful in the country since 1939, as reported by President Recep Tayyip Erdogan. The catastrophe resulted in a death toll exceeding 45,000 people. The source of the strongest underground shocks was recorded at a depth of 5 kilometers.
Orada arabamız, şu bizim araba. Gitti.
In times like these, it is vital to remain vigilant and take necessary precautions to ensure our safety and the safety of those around us. Authorities and experts are working diligently to minimize the damage caused by these natural disasters and offer support to those in need.